Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is 900 infographics template for Adobe Illustrator. Total files is 100. All file have a 9 infographer, but these files are protected. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now in $2.99 for, and iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is all categories and many countries infographic like United Arab Emirates, sale infographics, sea infographics, store, and here is a restaurant, Ramzan, purchase and sale, profession, visa infographic, and here is a social media, social network infographic. Okay, extract clear, extract group. You see this one. uh, Here is a background. For example, I wanna change this color. Click here. Simply you can apply patterns only. Our color is changed. Okay, here you can write anything. Close. Here is North Korean infographic. Here is Spain. Open. Wow. Write anything. I say again, these files are protected. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime. Take care, Allah Hafiz.